Dear friends, welcome to the help video of Smart All-in-One Calculator. Now, let us see how to use the calculator button in Smart All-in-One Calculator to calculate age properly. I am presenting this help video as I have received several feedbacks on difficulty in using the calendar button. Go to the plan presentation, open a plan. If you already know the age, then you can directly give the age in the position here. Otherwise, open the calendar button. The calendar will get opened and you can see the year mentioned in the top left corner. The first step is to click on the year button. On clicking on the year button, a series of years will be shown. Select the year first. Let us select 1984. Now you can use the right and left arrows to select the month. Let us select April. Now you can select the date. Let it be 12th and click the OK button. The age will be calculated and shown in the age position. I think now it's clear. Thank you. Thank you very much.